This video will show you how to reduce the excesses of your constructed sew. All right, so we have this shoemaking sew here, then we have a knife. So I want to show you how you can use this knife to reduce your sew so that you don't have yeah, you have a perfect cut, because there's a way you hold the knife and you will destroy your sew. So this video will show you how to use the knife carefully and get a perfect cut, okay, before you go for filing. All right, so in cutting, please, you have to hold your knife to the outside. The blade should be to the outside. Don't take your hands or the blade, the sharp blade, inside of the sew. Cut outside, like you having the blend of the blade should be outside. All right, so you bend your hand slantly, bend your hand to the outside of the sew, then you cut. Make sure before you cut you have a sharp blade. All right, you can use the filing machine to sharpen up your knife, or you can also use any other iron that can be able to sharpen this thing. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Let's do this now. If you want to reach out to me on other videos or maybe personal lessons, reach out to me using my WhatsApp number 090-35539885. And also, if you want to support my work on this channel, my work on YouTube, you can do that. My details are displaying on your screen. All right, both my Naira account and my dollar account are displaying, so you can use any of them to support. Whatever amount is appreciated. All right, so whatever currency, whatever amount is appreciated. So make sure you subscribe, tune into other videos and watch. All right, there are a lot of videos: how to make loafers, chuka boots, derby shoes, ankle boots, and slippers, also penny loafers. All of those things are on our channel, so subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification bell, so you get notified on everything, every video that we drop. YouTube will be the one to tell you and notify you. You'll be the first that YouTube will notify that a video has dropped from us. So I hope you are learning. So you have a sharp cutting. All right, so what's remaining is for you to use the filing machine to now file it to shape, then it is ready for use. All right, so it's amazing. Thank you for watching. Yeah.